previous video, I know that you were waiting for this look, flawless no makeup look. I actually filmed this video before that video, but I thought let's keep it as suspense for 2-3 days and then I'll reveal how I got this look. So if you want to know how I got this look in just 10 minutes or maybe less than that, then keep on watching the video. So I will start with my eyebrows, okay? I will use very less amount of product which are easily affordable rather, and I'll make that no makeup look, okay? So just to fill in the eyebrows. So to clean my eyebrows, the mess I have done, if you have done any, and also just to hide my dark circles, because I have dark circles. If you do not have dark circles, do not use this concealer. For hiding my dark circles, I will be using a concealer. If you do not have dark circles or dark spots, please do not use a concealer because this is a no makeup look, and you can go with this eyebrow and mascara and lipstick. So instead, if you do not have dark spots, you can use a CC cream or a BB cream or a very light foundation of your choice, okay? So I'm using this concealer from Swiss Beauty. Okay, so I will take a little bit on the back of my hand. And moreover, I will use very less amount of tools in this makeup look, okay? So I will take a flat shader brush like this and I will put on this concealer. And very little amount on the eyelid as well. So the rest of the concealer I will put on some places of my face where I have dark spots, okay? And I will blend it with a beauty blender, a sponge, a damp sponge rather. So how will you understand that whether the beauty blender is of good quality or not? Basically, you have to dip it into water, and if the size of the beauty blender becomes 1.5 or 2 times of its original size before making it wet, then you will understand that this is a good quality beauty blender, okay? So let us blend it. So you can see the beauty blender absorbed a lot of product. Okay, so that is why I used brush in my previous video. But I just tried out with a beauty blender whether it is working well or not, just in comparison with the brush. Basically, the brush do not absorb so much product. So the eyebrows have been messed up a bit. So I will just comb it with this spoolie. You can even set your eyebrows with a transparent mascara. I do not have that, so I do not use it. So now, I will set this face with this compact or powder, you can say. The same Maybelline Fit Me powder I am using. And this time, I will set the eyes as well. Because we are not going to put a lot of eye makeup. You can use any compact. I am using the same multitasking brush. F014. Do let me know if you want me to make a complete review on this brush set, because this is a very good brush set. I will use the same palette, or you can use a brown shade of lipstick as well. I'll show you. This kind of a lipstick. This is alienating. So it's in the shade brown. It's brown color. I use it for my contour, for my lipstick, for my eyeshadow, everything. Just apply it on your eyelid. And this one as well. And blend it pretty well. Now if you want to do a little bit of contour, you can use the same lipstick. Just put it on your hollow cheekbones in this way. For this also use your fingers. I think this much is absolutely fine. You can use that beauty blender as well. So use the opposite side where there is no foundation. Fine. Now I will use a mascara. That is a must. So I am using the same mascara from Fox Hills. I don't know if I am pronouncing it right. I just got it as a gift. So just put in the excess amount and apply on your lash line. Apply on your lash. Now if you do not have a lash curler, just when the mascara is wet, hold it like this. So with the same lipstick, I am applying my lip color, okay? The color payoff is too good. And of course, if you want to contour your nose, you can absolutely do that. For that, just take this lipstick, a line here and a line here, okay? And now smudge it with your fingers. I hope that is okay. Now if you want to use a highlighter, you can absolutely do that, but I do not prefer to use a highlighter. But obviously you can use a kajal. So for the kajal, I am using the same kajal I used in the previous video. I don't know which brand it is, but its color payoff is really good. So from the end, half. You have to do half kajal, okay? And now if you want, you can smudge it a little bit. Like I can use this brush. This is a very thin brush. This is the makeup look you can wear approximately every day. So I hope you like this video. For more such videos, just hit on the subscribe button and click the bell button just beside it so that you get notified once I upload a video. Okay? So thank you for this video. I'll obviously come up with new videos next week.